Ladies and gentlemen, let's get ready to rumble! Get ready to rumble!
Pump up the jam, yo, pump it up, yo, pump it up. Y'all ready for this? I like to move it, move it. 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 Give it up, go.
Welcome to the big show.
Let me hear you say,
Simply
wait. We're about to say,
breaks a couple of tackles. And look at him go! And look at him go! He could go all the way!
Hey, hey you, get out of our way, because today is the day we will put you away.
it's fun to stay in the YMCA. It's fun to stay in the YMCA. They have everything for your men to enjoy. You can hang out with all the boys.
Let's get ready to rumble! Get ready to rumble!
Pump up the jam, yo, pump it up, yo, pump it up.
Aggressive, be aggressive.
Simply en fuego.
The past is the past, you know?
About the past, lose that was yesterday.
It's a new day, bro.
I'ma put it on
My
the
day.
line, 'cause
You gotta do it
it's
now.
my time. Hey, 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 gotta stay on my grind, 'cause it's my time. My time, my time. If you with me, let me hear you say,
This is what we've been waiting for right here, y'all. This moment right here. It's my time. Come on. Low soul. Guess what time it is? My time. You can check your iPhone. Better say it's our time. I don't even need a watch. I don't even see a clock. Soon as I walk in, it feel like me o'clock. Yeah, me o'clock. Every time I checks, niggas don't measure up and try to blame the Pyrex. I'ma do it bigger than a 5X. Can't ride with an L, so I don't drive Lex. Game so bickery, so full of trickery. Nursery, rhyming, hickory, dickory. Blowing that sour, the hood call it pickery. Biggie, Puffy, Buster, victory. Yes.
can't you worry about the past, 'cause that was yesterday. I'ma put it on the line, 'cause it's my time. Hey, 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 gotta stay on my grind, 'cause it's my time. My time, my time. If you with me, let me hear you say, so. If you with me, let me hear you say, so. It's my time.
My time's more like fly time. Don't call it getting dressed, call it in the sky time. If you ain't a pilot, you probably couldn't style it. Unless you was a stewardess, you won't know what to do with this. I put the time in. Money ain't everything, it's more about the timing. So I got the Audemars, flawless diamonds. In other words, that's called perfect timing. I feel like a favor, I feel like a savior. They clock in my neck, I feel like I'm flavor. I go so hard, low so God. Damn, street, fit it. Why?